Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. Take way, take and go the way, you know. Well, if it's the first time watching this channel, please do subscribe, like and share, you know what I mean. We do it when it's Christmas season, and we just go and do it, you know. So, watch a movie, leave a comment, tell me what you think about it. Let's go. While we get ready to shoot a new movie today, we'll be up on the set. But me I get an intro, yeah. Alright, so big up on yourself. Remember, I said the donation is necessary and it's good. It push the thing forward. So give thanks to all those who donate, who do make the thing work, you know what I mean. Most of them don't want to name mention. And big up to all of the supporters them who call me to. Big up all of them from all over St. Mary, all over the world. You know, America, everywhere. You know, going down to the ground, England, you know what I mean, Canada, you know what I mean, Caribbean, you know what I mean, Africa. Yeah man, we get called from all up everywhere. So give thanks to all of you who make it possible, you know what I mean? I talk too much on the first part. That's true. Alright, let's go. Watch a movie. What go on now, Mrs. Styler?
I'm there, I pray.
Oh, well, your sister not there, you know, so I must see my call about her, you call to talk to.
No, so my sister may try to get to, but I don't get her phone.
Oh. We don't know wrong with her phone still, no, but I suppose today, because she ain't gone. Oh, see, that's one text coming in there. Oh, she ain't gone deal with something. You know what I mean? Because she's at work. But she have to go for 2 weeks, so she 2 weeks up and now, so she forward back in today.
Oh, so she never tell me that?
I don't know, but anyway, she got there, she soon come out, so I'm there wait for her still, you know what I mean?
Alright.
She have a phone there, because she left on her phone here, you know.
Oh, she left one of them?
Yes, I must see. Oh, me better phone there, I call her, because I see it ring. From when? Oh. Alright.
Alright then, when she come, just tell her to call me.
Alright. After she come, I don't know what to call you, but anyway. Alright. It's a beautiful day, yeah.
Hi, handsome.
Yeah, ready up to good?
Yeah. Oh, no, you miss me.
Hey, no, listen. I know
You miss her.
Listen, man, but you enjoy yourself.
Of course. I always enjoy spending time with you.
Yeah. So, remember they say you want to watch TV.
Yes.
And they want to tell about dig. And I really not want still, but we get to this.
Oh my god!
I'm just happy enough. 6 times we didn't pull it. I just say seal. No pull it.
Wow! Thank you! God no!
So you can carry over the...
Take out it. No, come here today, taxi or something. I'm glad. Thank you. Yeah.
So you can watch Netflix and all everything. No?
Yeah.
So you can just...
I like it.
Yeah, you can put this...
And you have internet, everything. No, smart.
Yeah, you can put this in your pocket. You can...
Thanks. Okay, so you go and buy lunch or something.
Yeah.
So you iron otherwise?
I'm supposed to go on.
Yeah. You know, I have enough things to do, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, go from Confronting.
I'm for that.
The guaranteed. time. Hurt up my good body. Yeah, Marie. Marie, I'm to them eat that dog, man. Me still want them, you know. Yeah, Marie, but you know the taxi man saying now come down in a bad road. Say no, me for the walk. And the TV heavy, man. I hope me can see somebody. They help me carry. Yeah, me can't bother you know, me stay by the light load. Come to somebody. See? Alright, hang up. Smart, hang up. Hello. Good day, young man. Come here. Hey, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, how are you?
I'm good, but I could be better. I'd love to ask for some assistance. Can you help me bring this? Man, I'm going to farm this to go right here. So please, it's heavy.
I need it to see what.
Hey man, thank you. Thank you for being a good Samaritan. Man, I'm going to fly. Just right over there. Take your time, man. If you want to stop here and just say I'm ready to it. Babe. Yeah, babe, I want to my sleep. There you are.
Yeah, man. Very man.
Alright, thanks here. Baby girl open.
Yeah, the girl open.
Let me sleep.
Yeah, man.
I got a surprise for you. Even though I'm studying on the first part, kind of bad right here, obvious.
Yeah. Yeah, man, I be a things, man.
Hey, I got you a brand new TV.
I maybe a sitting there. A 10-10. I think a 10-10 but I take a rap for.
What's your phone, man?
I'm brown girl. Yeah. No, you know, say a Clarendon though. Clarendon region, yeah.
Look, you look different.
Yeah, man, a 2 week, you know. I think Amanda. Amanda, I'm not my last name, but that ain't last name, you know.
Come sit down.
Yeah, man.
I'm tired. TV heavy.
I'm virgin there, that too.
We got let me get look at him. You eat already?
Yeah, man. Alright, my general. Bunny down to the ground. Yeah, man. Bless up myself, man. I straight up myself, man. You know I go bunny down to the ground, man. No respect. Alright, my general. Bunny down. I'm virgin from California a long time. You know you're funny with me and shout. You see?
And that man talk, boy. You know something agree with you?
Yeah, but that 2 weeks now, I'm not see her. I come to this lump and that's alright. Oh, you know, because your bumper get big. You go for 2 weeks, your bumper get bigger than you when you see her. What you do?
You agree with me, I agree with you.
I don't like the work though. Maybe I go quit the work there. Every time you go for 2 weeks. I don't like it, man.
You make money, babe. That's the whole point of working.
You thanks to the TV, man, to tell lie vision. To tell lie lies.
Come on, look on it, baby.
No,
I
I
get
see
no good
man.
mood. But baby, get the TV. Look on something, man. Look at it. Brand new. Take it out of the plastic. Brand new. See, good brand. And I think they make this JSW brand off. I think it's an LG off brand, if I'm not lie. Yeah, good TV, babe. We can watch Netflix, YouTube, anything. Bluetooth, smart TV, nice TV, babe.
Alright.
You like it?
Yeah, man, it's good.
I'm glad you like it.
It's good,
baby.
but I miss you though.
I miss you too.
I miss you.
Oh.
So you go to the front door.
No, I didn't say I'm good. Oh, I want some sugar.
Why could you just come here? Come. Oh, well, I shower. Come get the farmer for the bed. So maybe I'll take a shower and while I get a shower, you can go and enjoy yourself with the sugar stick. Why? So,
A nice man help flow.
what there?
You know, I'm going to go. Later, your time, you like good from wedding.
Hey, just come back, you know. Let's me tell you. I'm not tell you. You just come back and talk. Tell you up, so. You know what kind of work? Which work I take away you for 2 weeks every time? Why if you work, we can't get out there?
Maybe if you work, if you're not so bad at all.
One night time, no more, the more come.
Like,
So I can't spend 2 weeks, one night time to come work, you know.
no, baby, people, you know, like, no bad people in the yard. I mean, when you come up there and feel no way, like, you're not welcome. You know, I know you feel like you're not welcome. Yes, mommy, come on.
Sis!
Yeah, girl, forward now.
You know, some now just come in. Suppose some India do something.
Girl, you're not really never see before you come.
What go on?
Yeah,
But they just say me I check you, me I call the phone and nah get a phone, girl. You know, say if you keep your phone on.
you know, me a phone come down already. Me I left a phone and go on the road sometime by mistake.
Yeah, because so.
So what go on? Me want one little reason you there about that woman business. Me can't.
Anyway, I just have to go for the road, some things still, so. You can't have your own self, and I've got no way. Maybe soon come here.
Alright, baby, later. And you, as always, be safe on your road now.
Yeah, man.
In your hat.
feel like if I go really there, me I do sit with you, you know. I reach farm ground. Anyway, girl, I really want to talk to you about. You know, see if you stop, what you do? Girl, you can't take that man out.
See, man, really enjoy that one.
No, but I want to talk to you. How you manage this a double life, yeah? I'm gone, I say I'm gone.
Where is that movie?
Girl, I think I don't know if I'm man the other day. You thought I was spend 2 weeks at work. And I spend no 2 weeks at work. Because I call and I look for you. And when I call him phone, of course I call a fame phone me get. And he tell me say you gone 2 weeks when you work.
You back me up though.
Girl, yeah, I tell him say I work you gone, yes and. But suppose you go breathe for 9 months.
Girl, we breathing out. You can't look for a nice body body like me and talk about breathing. You make sure that not happen.
Girl, you can't everything happen for a reason. You can't dare say you do to that the man up there. Whether I use condom or not and condom bust off. You can't dare say do the same thing. Sweet water can't do it. All type of sitting there, girl.
Make sure say that not happen. Because I couldn't bother put myself in a predicament then. Oh.
But you have to stop, man. You need to stop. God, man, you need to stop. You need to stop because you know look good. The double life now work. You're there so with this man live in so and you still want to live in way over so with that man there.
I love me and I love them so why problem?
So how you love two man? Where you get that the heart from?
How man do it all the time and get away with it.
You can't do what a man do and still be a lady.
That's not true still, but girl too, if you balance and I can't balance.
Me rather have
you have
balance
light and you have
balance.
darkness. Balance. There's no light without darkness.
Okay,
there's no
you
light
soon have no light none at all.
Girl, my light ever shine.
You soon have none can believe me. What in a dark always come in a light here, believe me.
Me a Tory girl say the most man doing so. The next man proposed to me, but we can't wear engagement ring, girl. The way I say nice.
Me know say you plan to marry me here, pan you road say you plan to marry man up so. Girl, find that the man they propose to you, know say I'm going to tell your friend them. And your friend them I'm going to go there so go talk and go over there so go talk and go over Pamela. You know what they love chat over Pamela yard. You know God Pamela yard still. Them the people in the yard can't hold them out.
Babes not ear back. I'm not ear back.
Trust me.
Me play it out as long as me can play it out.
So you go marry them.
Good wedding girl. Good, me want to wear red and gold. Girl and come out well nice and classy. What you say? Bigger best wedding girl.
Yeah, you can't be sister. No, sir. You sure? You sure not that?
No, but my reason, no, my sister, talk it through. Look much time man do it and get with the man and have 2, 3, 4 wives.
That a man, you're a woman.
But me a balance good so far. Me not have no issues so far. 2 of them love me, 2 of them I do them for do and ray. 2 of them active in a bed.
Okay, when then talk.
When I started coming out, girl, I want to go there for this to Rasta say, nah, go and good. Because when I started, the man just asleep and something. I'm so tired. But more while I'm going good too. So you see when I stand and go and go, the next man and go and girl, you girl. That's yourself.
No, yourself. I don't have. Me now say this to you again now. When you see entire Jaff in a one big old deep hole and can't come out, don't call your sister folk and remember say your sister they tell her.
You always hold there for me, so I'm not listen to that.
Oh, so through me always I got there for you. You got to use me.
And I use.
Of course, you have to be used because.
I mean.
Girl, maybe I have you tell lie for you.
Yes, rightfully.
You tell lie for me?
Of course.
Whenever you have a chance to tell one lie for me, never come in. I do nothing for you.
Yeah, but girl, all of it can be good. May I represent you, woman, them a man do them all for bad things and all these things. Girl, they are woman good, nah, do not and boy have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Don't we just name out all I number them. Man,
you're still a lady now, though.
Of course.
You can't do what man do.
I'm 5, 6, 7, 8 man, I have 2 man.
Yeah, 2 man.
I have 2 everything. 2 titty, 2 lips, 2 eyes, 2 ears. It's called balance. Just imagine you with 1 nose.
No, me keep bounce one
foot.
I will bounce it.
Just imagine you with 1 ton lip or 1 ton jaw.
I will bounce it same way.
No girl. No, not now.
Everything of them who are bush here.
Yeah, I may have 2 holes.
So if me have 1 foot till, me might go there and find 1 foot man too. And we bounce it.
No one something now work. Bird can fly pound 1 wing. Just imagine if girl a fly pound 1 wing.
When I go fly pound 1 wing anymore because for me a few man go make 2.
Man, for balance. Sorry sister, but your sister have to balance.
Me a go buy it. Me not sit down with you about it.
Oh, love you.
Right,
Me an active girl. What do you mean, girl?
Just be careful.
Always. I'm slicking a girl, my may stick, I stick it. 2 better than 1. What do you mean?
When I'm about chatting then now, because I love chat. We get hurting up so much fear. Heart no feel no pain. I live and learn. Alright, I know. Boy, I never feel so him. I better look man in a car. The woman not dealing with you just carry things coming.
Why you know?
Woman, you just carry things them come with her a while ago.
Oh, I see she see me down on the road and say, you can't help her with the TV, I'm help her.
Yeah, I'm not trust. No, young boy with no money now.
No man, nothing like that man. Me a pass and she asked me, say, yo, if me free here. I say, I don't know, say she help her because it's heavy. So me help her and carry over. I don't know, personal.
Oh, yeah.
I'm so still we just step on the road 1 or 2 times, but up the road and whatever.
Alright. You know watch man still. But you go watch a woman. You want to make a money? You want to make a money?
Well, I don't want a piece of money.
What you go on now? The same one that carry things from a woman. You know they for a long while. Every minute she get a new work from one day. Every minute she gone for 1, 2 weeks. Left a mark. Carry a sex with her a while ago. And realize that the thing are wide out. I go in and I slide out. So you go on and more. You figure out where she go, who she go with, and where she stay for 2 weeks. Right? And give me information. She have phone here? No phone. I tell you my phone last. you know how to record you. Record anything she are going with, more money you want for that work, the daddy. Because by this week, you done, she go and go up chat. She'll take 2 weeks yesterday, she'll go over for 2 weeks. Like she said, she had a 2 week off and 2 week on. Someone just figure out what she had do. Right?
When I take a 40, that's 40.
40 what?
The risky. When I take 40 grand.
40 grand.
Because they kind of risky, say, I say. If you have a piece of money, say, if anything, you can.
This is the first grand out of it. That have to pay for your go today. She not ready now, you know. She had 2 weeks. 2 weeks and now, when she a go, you page me. But get that phone, you use that phone there, operate up yourself. Now I'll call you. Because I have next one and call you. And then I tell her when she a move and she go, you go to video anyway she there. But that $1,000 there, I don't payment. So much more I feel left.
Yeah, 39.
39. Not even say 40.
Alright. We don't know that.
Where you come from?
I wanna look out. I'm gonna deal with man.
Don't have a look so.
No man, I smell them bird. I'm gonna see it, is it? They're good though.
Yeah man, I'm good. Me just come check my sister.
Yeah. So, I don't know how to have phone to my time. They call me earlier, she never come. She just forwarding, man. Something wrong with that, I don't know. The sister, something wrong. I don't know how long I go there for.
What do you mean by?
I just feel like she give me a bun. There's something about, there's a stranger in my house. I'm trying to figure out, you know what I mean? Because there's something wrong. She carry a TV come. Sometimes when you're wrong, you give people gift. You take them mind off of whatever really is going on. So something wrong, I don't know what wrong. Or maybe my mind still. We want TV for a long time, but now she buy TV like a mate. Oh, I buy your TV. Right? When she go watch the most. You know what I mean? But something wrong. She you know, she got me, we go alright. My sister-in-law, I'm not supposed to tell her private business. But I go in and I jump out. And normally, I go in and I turn. I go in and I jump out. I go in again, jump out, in, jump out, in, jump out, in, jump out. So I say, alright then. Something wrong. He never stayed away there. 2 weeks ago before she go, when I go so. Grip! But now I don't drop. So I wonder if something wrong with me. Maybe we go to a doctor still. Go see if they have something.
No. You are not a problem.
No, later.
Yeah, later.
You don't know if I'm...
No, me no know.
You don't know. You don't know.
Alright, go to doctor then. Later.
Babe, and we are going with shovel.
No man, I borrow somebody borrowed from me, just get it back.
How you look so, babe? How you look so?
No, I did something, man. So my time to get from around the side, you know? Doesn't feel sick, so. But then look at the number one break back. You know, people borrow things, and when they get, you know, long they have it. Look at them mash up it.
Yeah.
Let them mash up it.
Babe, you look extra sexy in idea, like I could have done well with something. Come here.
You just get some while ago. I think give me enough.
Babe, you can't enough, babe. Come, put down the shovel and come. Come
No,
on,
yeah,
make some sweet love to you, babe.
The reason I go back for this, I saw what more there now.
Babe, come on, quint this up.
Oh my, the things in now.
Let me buy now work.
No.
I said,
No.
yes, this is this for my thing, babe.
No.
You're not getting no more. One time when I say ready, you're ready like Freddy, you're not up asleep. But me I notice that somebody. Might have a woman I don't know about, you know.
Not like that.
Careful.
Not like that. Not actually.
Careful.
No, not like that.
Babe, come now and look up it. Not even 5 minutes. Not even 5 minutes, baby. Look here. Careful. Come now, babe.
So come.
Yeah, wait. Don't wait too long, no.
Yeah, Rasta. You know, so me I seal evidence. Yeah, man, me find out which party in there. Me find out which party in there, man. Yeah, just make sure say I have me. Make sure say I have me 39,000, you know. I'm not saying give me one already, you know. Make sure I have me 39,000. You see that for WhatsApp? No.
Man, you're good. You don't cook.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on. I'm hungry.
I'm finished my cash right before. I made already a day and then I eat.
One food now, I can't wait. Can't get no longer.
Alright. I have a little surprise. Baby, I really love you.
You know, I really love me, you know.
May I go on all along, may I go on and things that's nice. Baby, I'm married to me.
Yeah, but when I have time, money not there yet. If me buy a ring, I really want to buy it.
But what if that's at least so we have the money to get everything together? Like, would you let us get married?
Yeah, because we're good right now, we are talking relationship, I go good.
That's
Married,
great.
yeah.
I love to marry you and have kids and all of that.
Yeah, man, all of that in a process, yeah, but just want to have the money. I don't
So
want to
you're
do it
still loyal?
and then I don't have the money to give you and certain things, you know? And if we get pregnant now, I don't have the money to sustain me. And the bills high already and whatever, so I just have to go and work and save up.
So we have to get the baby
Really,
yes,
sure.
but we can get married.
We'll
Will you
get
marry
married.
me?
Yeah.
Yes, babe. Will you marry me? I want us to get married. And you know, take things more serious to the next level where, you know, we open a bank account, together a joint account, and we can see it towards our future. Yes, babe. You wouldn't marry me, just tell me say you're married to me, babe.
Yeah, when I'm married, but I really like wear a ring for my
It's
finger.
a nice ring and I think it will fit you perfect. Try it on. See? It fits perfect.
But I don't like the color of the ring I do.
Yeah, nice, baby. I may get mine one next time. Come here, save for mine. Look a bit from this. Come and pay down half the price for mine already. Babe, put on back a ring, babe.
I don't like the color it do.
Nothing on the ring, babe.
Yeah, but
We're going to get
change
married
it.
next week, babe.
Alright.
If I'm going to pay for half
You
of that,
real
too.
though?
Of course, babe. I could have saved my money fake jewelry.
Okay. Because I wonder if this
no.
yeah, diamond in that though.
Yes, Mrs. You have to address me properly now.
You know something like jewelry stuff. I just have to put in a jar.
Baby, I had some.
No, I'm not hide nothing.
Your woman can just
When we are, alright, when we are bored, we are go wear it.
Baby, in a 2023, women don't normally propose to men.
More two of we wear a ring together. I'll get one ring and wear it together.
So you pay next half and the one I pay down for
Yeah.
you, I like it and then nice at the fit my finger.
I'll pay them. I'll put this in a jar.
Alright, surprise me.
Yeah.
Alright,
Yeah,
baby.
we go share the food now. Come
Come here, look, man, man.
There are many,
Yes,
many more
sir.
years to come.
I know, I want us to do it.
Alright. What time I know?
It was to wake up, I don't know, probably about after 11. 11 to be exact.
I'm really tired, man, because tired. I should stay up late last night, but I'm not going to get up so. After you say you're tired out already. Like you have an extra engine in you.
No, babe. I forgot on the road. I'm going to link my sister today.
Alright, so, like, it's what I like with you believe in a family. You know what I mean? When I did them, I think I'm married, you know.
Oh, really?
I got married when I did, I'm not ready for married yet, but when I did them, I got married, yo. When I tell her when, I'm going to surprise you, but I'm not need long pan on me, because my father said I'm not about to no girl. I don't know talk though. That's what my father said. I'm not about to no woman, so I'm not going to bend down and say more turn up, and hold your hand and say, would you marry me? You know what I mean? But I'm not tell her more surprise, I put on nice settings.
That would be a nice surprise, though.
Yeah, man. So that. So you're link your sister.
Yes.
You know for me. You know for me, because I'm a friend now, because I believe in a family thing, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah, like, oh, you know, live loving.
Yeah, we're very close.
Yeah. And because that's one of the problems we have in Jamaica, you know. Family and family don't live together. Family and family don't watch each other. Like you have sister watch jealous sister, you have cousin jealous cousin, you have father a jealous son, mother a jealous sister, mother a jealous daughter. Too much of them things that go on. It's time for our family to communicate. I'm like, oh, your sister always attack.
Yeah.
No, if you not chat midway, you know.
No, babe.
Do not tell your sister send me something long so you know come in no one. She come parent. Yeah, cause you're
But it's you hear
the post them. You hear the post them.
But even if me tell her that don't have nothing to do with it.
She can't come borrow this. She can't come borrow it. This is not a family business.
Good.
This is your business.
Keep it that way.
So go and reach your sister and come back in due time.
Come, baby. And make sure you see yourself and don't do anything that I would not do.
I mean, what if I find that though? Tomorrow I go, I skip out this for 2 weeks. I have to go tomorrow.
I have to go, baby, no me for work. I'm going to have more surprises for you too.
I'm going to miss you, but tonight I'm going to give you a good send off then. I'll rest myself today. I'll give you a good send off today. Later. When I get up, I drink one Guinness. I eat two raw peanuts.
I think
and I mean, I make a second and I'm back. You see me have tuna over there, I chop off one tuna. We'll pick 2 jelly, make it soak too. I'll try to go buy some okra. We'll go, blend up something that means later. Whole night working. Maybe I can go walk tomorrow. Everything then push up our wheelchair, put in a taxi, and the taxi can go drop you off up a yard and sleep for and 2 again. And the rest of myself I'm going to start.
I see you have it all figured out.
Yeah,
Maybe
man.
later, man, we can check me out. Come on, come back.
Alright.
Later.
Alright. Good buddy.
No. Open no bad news, you know.
Oh yeah, I come from. Where
I come from.
How was work
left
today?
no bag, me tool in my place, because I'm not finished work.
How was work today?
Hectic and busy. I feel up and down and buy things. We tell the people them to buy this and material and they don't buy that. So I feel go back to hardware and I come back. No, them buy right material no, but them buy short because some mean people them. So them buy short material. So I feel go back to hardware and come back. I'm not even get to start your work. I just hardware I go back and forth.
Okay, I understand. I hope tomorrow is a better day, but I have
Yeah,
something to tell you, babe.
Yeah.
Things kind of a little weird. Right now because I didn't want to look for you, but I got start out the dress. Come really want to get my picture, you know?
Just start out the dress.
I may have to go work on something.
And
you
you see, if the job I work, as I decide if the job work out, you can push some money. If you don't work out, you can push some money to
yeah. Want to work out?
Yeah, I pray to God you work out. Yes. Someone go be there now.
But me look about the dress. I can't hug you because
you know, I'm kind of
sweaty, but it's alright.
Alright, so now go pull that fresh answer.
Alright then, so we'll talk.
Alright.
Alright, baby. Sister girl.
Come now.
See, he's cleaning here with one call. We'll take off the slippers.
You know, when you call, so we know who
I
you
know how
answer.
Lord and yeah. But yeah, I have mirror over there, so I like it, kind of. I love it for myself.
But then, also, I'm going to build back. But then, I'm planning to figure up a new word, but just to make it a me. Go, so yes, stay so far. Come up, look closer.
So,
Stay so
man,
far.
what me, yeah?
Yeah, see you, man.
Yeah, alright.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see.
How you are your double life?
Girl, mix up. I'm going to say to you, man. I'm going to say to you. But two man, they love me, I'm happy and something. But girl, I'm free to get married, come and tell us, such boy propose.
Mm-hmm.
You want to get married and have kids and something weird on your line. The rest of them going good, you know. So I'm going balance out rest of the time being as long as they can go on.
So when I get married now, you're gonna leave the Rasta? You're gonna leave him? That was a good brother-in-law, you know. I best brother-in-law, me see.
You like him?
Yeah.
I like him too, but I don't know. So
You know,
the energy now connect.
Maybe because I feel certain energy I come from you.
That's true still, because he fulfill them, but the man is idiot.
Exactly. And the same man full color man they till start taking for eat boy.
But girl, I kind of feel like he have one, let me tell you. I don't know. Come back, I feel like he talk to somebody else.
Girl, me they everywhere. You know every mix up in this community. You know everybody big things. Says if first that they have a next woman, mother tell us they have a next woman, and mother hears they have a next woman. But no, me I hear say you have a next man. And so come remember you tell me, you know, people tell me a road and I come to you and ask you and you say, yeah, true. Remember, you know.
Just a pick up film because you like him, sister.
I don't pick up film and him first and David. And him should not look for married and secret or not. So
really rate him, but he not going good for with alright.
concerned. Pick up one this, you know. And the one time I come over there and I thought, no. He might tell me say I get certain book up on him what I get out there so he might say I feel certain energy I come from you know. I tell him I don't know what say you know. Till he say I feel go to doctor because he feel like I have my problem.
Girl, because normally when I say Ray Rasta really active. And how it is like, he still give me, but he not give me as much as he used to give me. And it kind of turned me off because you know me still.
Me scared. So my purpose of you being here now.
Girl, I'm gonna get married. This is how I'm gonna get married. Even though you don't support my team still, but really love the other guy. And really nice too. It's good to have options. Yeah, they're both nice men, but I really like the tall, still young guy. Something about him. The boy just have a buzz. The boy buzzy bad. The boy ever pick up more interest. You know, I'm not link nobody when you know in that field. So
Bro, I'm not support all of this.
sister, come on now. I must say, like a sister, stop going so man. I'm not like a sister, you love me.
Me have link, yes. Me can make somebody care to wedding dress or for how much it come over here so if you pick up one from yes. But the thing of it, we don't support it.
I know, but you know.
But me gonna do it because I'm afraid make a little money still now. More she make a little money so I go call her.
Yeah, girl. Not me talk about.
But yeah, talk about.
I wanna get married, girl. You know my audience wanna get
Call
married.
her, Master.
You know, over here ever hot though. You can't buy one fan and worry about my life and you leave have a sensible fan in your
My life
place.
nice and comfortable. Me not live no double life. No, nobody not from me back door.
Girl, I'm happy.
Hello? Yeah, log on. Yeah, I know, so it's a little seal me there. Make fear me. I wonder if I could check in over for my place with 2 wedding dress. Or the best one they may have in there, 2 best one. What you have? Yeah.
That's why you know me look.
Yeah, my sister. You know my sister, man. You know her. So you know how she shape and feel her precise already. Remember saying look her no big, like a me. Alright, check in. Alright. She said she's coming.
Yes. Same support the sister and stop one me out.
Me always like one you out cause this way I don't know, right? You see, until you second down and have only one partner, one at a time.
Girl, oh please, girl, I don't know, but I don't know. What I prefer a man me give man that him give me one girl. Cause when man a dear bad, you know that to sis, you know that.
And this is one apart. They give me as much one as I want.
Rather than me, sorry to say, but it is what it is.
One with partner girl, I am.
Thanks for your support.
I'm gonna support you.
You are
I'm very
supporting
busy,
me.
I support.
Hello, good afternoon. Oh, you know, say, me not there, my store today, though. On the road, me I go deal with some business. But, hold on. Alright, give me about 15 minutes. Me have to go down to my store. Me have I think I have about 2 dress down there in your size. I have to go pick them up and bring them come to me, can try them on. Yeah, man, you just try any 2 of them and see which one you like. If I not, one of them are in the parent right now, so maybe tomorrow before me get that, and you know, so I have to go wash it and then send it to the dryer and make them press it and something. So I go down to my store now and then come over your yard. You over there? Alright, give me 15 minutes. Alright, yes. Ale!
I'm there.
What's going on?
There, girl. You're rich.
Should I get married?
Yeah, please.
Alright.
Remember me there tell about my little sister that day about your liver.
Oh, okay, you know, say, on the road, we get to that's where we go to my shop, so all thing we can come. So, try and order in 2 years, and see which one you like. So, these are the 2 years, some nice dress, not like. Before all good, always start with him.
One year, but like 1 year already.
Like,
Sis, try on.
try on. Yeah, this one little small.
That one is nice.
Yeah,
too.
that
This
we
one.
want the shape and so.
Yeah, you can do love the
But if you want extra, you know, hit this one.
I love this one.
Alright, so try that one. This one is more expensive though.
Maybe mine, my man have money, my man no price.
Alright, so it's on the back.
I think I tried all my clothes.
Yeah, don't style please.
But never change the chain, you
I
know.
want style.
I don't want to.
That's why I'm going to sell us if you take your five broke one.
I'll put in a arrange them so all them fit.
When I bought from Steve,
Yeah, come
and
on.
then I come back over.
Yeah,
go help me try this thing.
Maybe help you going like
Please, don't make me stop it.
Yeah, I have to zip it.
yeah. Alright, free.
There. You know, say sister get married.
One bag of school. One bag of la business.
I'm very call me and I'm actually busy still, you know.
And then rest of them.
What? What you say to me? Make sure. We only deal with the marriage, you know, we don't really. Sometimes, some things happen at wedding. That's why this one, I won't care. It's very spicy. Remember me telling you that? We go on one wedding, to my dress, and the man tear it off for the girl. Rip it off when you find out your wife for cheap.
Yes,
But I'm pay for my dress. So it's
still making money.
Yeah.
Sis, yeah? Come on.
So, yeah,
Come on, come.
Let's see the box.
Yeah, come. You know, no, yeah. Woo! That one long though. I'm like,
This says you. This says you, Wayne. Zip it up.
but there's it can look like no work.
Come on, now work. Let's work.
Like a lady bitch, you know how to do it. About spoil people in dresses.
Me not no money to pay for it, so.
It's working, patience.
Yeah, man, just because too much people go out and have it, so you can more.
It's working.
I like it still.
I love it.
Right?
Yeah, see?
Yeah, because putting the energy in it.
Yeah. I understand, it's okay.
Yeah, but
Like sometimes some people like force up themselves and something
Yeah.
fit them.
alright, yeah. Perfect. What you can do, we allow you to stitch it to your size.
Yeah.
And when you bring it back, you can pull out. You understand? But this year is for you, and it's just.
Very nice.
It's just. How long you want it for? 3 days?
No, that's for the wedding.
No, I'm not rent for 1 day. It's either 2 day or 3 day because.
I love it.
Mama,
Yeah, that the one there.
Yeah.
this is what it's for.
So you know like that one now?
This is for it's for.
Oh, this look
I don't like that. Look at this, sis. Yeah, you know your sister, girl, because me go do up me hair and
Alright, this year 1 year is for 30 for 2 days. Right, because I'm gonna do 1
I can see your
day.
sister getting married.
You hear me? The
Yeah, I hear you.
price of the 30. So, I'm not carry my checkbook because, as I said, I'm going to run with all go. So, I come back and bring my checkbook and sign it off. Your payments, everything.
Yeah.
So,
I love it. Yeah, I love it.
I don't normally leave them like this, you know. When you're
at home.
Yeah, no. When are we to
Very, very soon, like within a week. Yeah, so I have to prep.
Me come back over here tomorrow day. Check up on something. So we can run by that.
Alright.
Thank
Thank you so much. You brought the perfect one. Oh my god, I can't just stick in so sis, look.
Yeah.
You see? So we take in here so now, okay, you don't girl is small. See? I love it.
Alright,
You're like
Yes.
married.
Alright.
Yeah. What's this? I love this. This would make the move, sis. No, look. I look quite long. And somebody's gonna hold up the back while I walk. Are they gonna stretch it so I can walk and it just flows? I love it.
Like this too. Well, take off, you know, I'm gonna say a little bit more.
No,
I think I love you want to stay
yeah, you know,
so.
girl, you get married. Oh my god.
So, let me ask you a question, sis. How you go over with that dress? You not go see it and ask you how you a full dress.
Okay, I got that covered. I'm gonna say, no man, baby. No man do this. I'm gonna say I'm my best girl.
So here.
Oh, I'm back, sis.
Look over the side of the box so you can see none.
Make sure say bag big enough now, cause
I'm not sure, I have no big bag up here. So
this
you
bag,
Yeah.
my red bag.
Yeah, you have to try tuck it underneath.
Jesus, what kind of rape charges now, sis?
Come on, me help you. Come on, pass over it. Cause I don't know how many support them are sitting here and me still there help you.
Sis, this is like a rape though, man.
What rape?
This is why man not gonna see it, so.
You not go see it eventually, you know, so you have a lock.
I'm trying to tell her, I'm trying to wicked life to tell him because I can't get caught, you know. I think I should with certain person I'm choosing because I know you maybe go choose one of them, no, I prefer one of them I'm married, so.
Okay, so. Alright.
Them say I get married, them say I get married.
No.
Girl, just
No, don't call me name. Don't call me name.
Sis, really?
As a semester that's on the bed, no call me name.
Sis just work with me, no man.
Everybody don't know say me don't have a man. Him supposed to know say me don't have no man.
Katrina growing in face and I can't find man.
No, go on, me no want
Girl,
no man.
stop
Me
going
no
for.
want anything like
When
see
man call you, watch the flow and about the phone.
In China, call me.
Love you, yeah, man. Love you.
One way this is, don't come back. But me I get married.
Babe, I'm in there though.
What's going on in the world? This world is not a real place.
Babe,
What's going on?
what?
Okay. I worried. No?
Oh, yeah, California though.
No, I know what's going on in the world. No, that cat. Oh, no. Then just text me. Oh, we didn't want to sit in a lifespan to win our money.
Much money you want?
I want to do that for my great state. But it's my time to trust you know. Then just put it on the say you go win our money. But it's my time to drink a lifespan water. So I just send up to what they something them. So I text them. I saw code up on the back of them.
Okay, cool.
I don't believe now most of the time.
Oh, like when the code come under the cap and you just put it in and...
No, this is the one I code up on the side. I scratch it off. I text it to them or this, that, I don't know. But I know it's my time I just stunt.
Okay.
So, but that's when I buy the water, I just I'm going on with you. So anyway, we're going to the family. Hey sister.
Oh, one day I must have come from there.
Like, I know what one long start chatting though.
Yeah, you know how fully our relationship come down already.
Alright, so
Right.
I just press me and take a drink one Guinness already. About to drink 2 more. Yes, some of this.
Really?
Like one similar.
You miss me? You don't miss me? You really miss me now?
I'm there now
I'm
and
hot
I'm
and sweaty or something right now.
You sweaty? I'm going to be here now, wetty.
You know, easy, you not when I went to know?
I'm going to be, man.
Right.
You know, so long we'll have shower too. So be here and come.
Alright, here come baby.
I wonder what is this? Class, I'm going to marry her. Did you get the wedding just already? Babes!
Yeah.
When I done forward there. When I done there, come.
The sun come here, watch out.
When I know what I run.
You come here, so pop, they go wash off now.
Hello.
Yeah, babe.
What is this? Me see now I'm back does up. This your wedding dress here. Me tell her say, me you go marry. And you just a push it thing. Me not get ready here to marry.
Babe, my sister just not just... Babe, I forgot to tell you, babe, my sister.
Are you done this?
Sister, yeah, my sister get married
Come
tomorrow.
catch a while ago when you go away.
No,
Me
babe.
said to you say mother married the one at a time. Me think you lot a rushy. And go buy wedding dress can come.
No, I allow you to do it on your own timing so you can be more spontaneous.
Come and tell someone surprise and we get upset a while ago and say we can just come find
No, baby,
a
come
married.
wash my skin. Don't do that. You're crazy. Get my arms then, please. Oh, baby, it's nice to wear it off it. And I put too much, babe, because you know me easy to sweat. No, babe.
Listen now.
Be gentle.
I want you slippery when you're wet.
But you know I always slippery when I'm wet. But be gentle. Yeah, you gotta be more gentle. That's what
No, me rubbing.
Babe,
When you get a rubbing, gentle. But
come on, because it's
as a lion, you never see a lion a move soft, you know.
Come on, you're
When-
too rough.
One thing you say you like me when I'm rough, I'm angry. You. So you know you never did
Stop
that
playing
soft
with me
man.
gentle, because you know my life is gentle.
No.
I don't want no more, babe. I don't want no more.
When you deal with the gentle, you go around make different man deal with the rough. No. I want to deal with the rough some my time and gentle some my time. Today you say you want the gentle, me get rough. Tomorrow you say you want the rough, me get gentle. We have to keep it spontaneous.
My skin feels soft, right?
Yeah, man.
So why you want to leave it rough? Maybe I stretch my foot.
I'm going to work out your joints.
You know?
Because later, it'll be greater.
Later you can
I go mash up later.
You can't handcuff me later. No matter the foolishness now.
I'm going right now, you better behave yourself. Alright.
Stop. No matter go feed time them now.
No.
Come.
Alright. So,
May I get ready, so.
yeah, my foot back here. Your sister, because I tell
Yeah, she'll get married. I mean, she look nice.
but she not to invite me. She say me and my brother-in-law. Me not like
It's
it.
not like a one-off thing, babe. But guess what now? When I say bride, the groom love to see the bride, not the dress before the wedding. That's why I have to keep it here. You understand?
Oh.
Yeah.
No, man, I
don't want
understand
to
the woman.
start something there.
You understand, no?
Yeah. No much years of bad luck. No, sir.
You
Take
understand?
time with it, babe. But like, you know, nice. Don't want something similar to that when we get married. Here,
So if you wedding just go red.
red.
Red are my color.
But baby, no red is my favorite color too. Can be red and gold.
Red and gold.
That would be amazing. I love that. Yeah, may I work towards that.
Come on. Put now on bigger bag.
Yeah.
Alright? That is it. Alright, so come.
Maybe look a shower feel nice, but
Yeah.
just feel cool and that. Hey,
Come look at you now.
babe, no. Come and give one to people. So extra, man. Stop it.
I saw you red. I some did make you. Alright, then. Get cards and too much. In-law.
Come in.
Yo, I can't believe it. I can't believe this. They are in-law. They are in-law and you keep wedding and you know invite me. At the wedding just to see over yard a while ago. And your sister tell me say boy I gotta get married. So you really get married and I invite me to a wedding?
Boy, yeah, me I get married. But I want private with only family members.
So what? Me no family too. You know what plow me and plow your sister over the me and the family for me and your sister me connected to your family. Oh, you no breed again? You no breed again?
Yeah.
She a take pill. Over breed her, she a take pill every time. You know what time is? Besides her up, huh? Oh me bam! Nothing no go on. Search in the jar. Me find pill. Morning after, day after next week, she have a month after, year after.
I'll do it, that's for them.
No, no, that me I say to you, say. Me not care about that. Me I say, how come the wedding I keep and your good brother-in-law will say rate so much?
Because
Not there in the invitation list.
listen to me now, I want a sudden wedding. It never really planned for. And it's really private for me, me not really like to troll, me don't really like to hold up people. So me just say, we just gonna have a witness there when my sister gonna be a witness. That's all.
There is no witness like a Rasta witness. What is the forever hold your peace with the mouth so your sister love chat? And me fit that guy wedding that means una cook though? Una cook there?
After
Una
wedding.
Una have food?
Yeah, I hold a yard and so.
Which yard?
My man yard.
Me not going no man yard. So yo, we go there man, keep a wedding. The same time me and your sister get married, it go be a private wedding.
But me have to go there.
No, me go X you out there, your husband now come. Me tell them that. Me and invite everybody, but you can't come to them and take a big picture. And send a not invitation letter. Me I send it to you that me say get it. So when you get it, me I put 2 security there out at the front of the gate and so they know you directly.
But here
And I use AI software that means if you dress up and you put on costume, it pick you out from far. Do not come there.
But here
Me go take out
you
a
have to
lamp.
have a family member. Man, she say no man a family.
I go take out a restraining order upon you. You must not be seen 100 feet away from the
But
wedding.
I have nothing.
No, listen now. You hurt me. Everything good. Keep a wedding. Keep a wedding. Oh.
Yeah, man. Garrett, man. I think I'm not working shirt, but I judge this a few days.
I look nice though. I look T-fish. Careful by the road, you know. But anyways, I got the dress. I got a really nice dress. You're gonna love to see me. Yeah, you're gonna love to see me in it.
Alright, so you get dressed. Just hope and pray you work, go through right there. And get a little money from it. You can do.
Just nice, huh, babe? In long.
What's the nice man? Guy have nice taste. You have to, you know, if you sit up things.
You love
and
it, girls. That we are finding love all
but
over
me
again.
I rush now because it's there. 4 minutes to 9.
Alright, so what you want for dinner?
Just cooking little thing when you see them. I have some meat, chicken foot, you want the soup or any little thing. Yeah, so.
You can't let it up for you.
Alright.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
Hello? Hey, babe. What happened? Let me see you. Yeah, but you know me they are work. I don't know how people them work stay. Every minute me have to clean the old lady. Every minute she do the pan herself and them something me boy. Work hard up yourself. I really miss you, babe. Yeah, me know, babe, but I really miss you. Oh, yes, soon see my man. As soon as I done work, I come look for you, I miss him and spend time with him.
Yeah.
My boss I call him, I call him. Yes, baby?
You listen me left this man.
Apparently, you know, man. Gotta put me through short, man.
I'm drink 2 minutes, man. I'm going to
Yeah, pretty so heavy. Alright, later.
Look, come on.
Close. Oh, ain't that pretty, man?
Alia!
Oi!
You're not walking, someone else coming. Look here. Where's your sister? You know, say your sister not come up my wedding, just go and give me a hand and give back my money. I want one.
So she not pay you?
No?
How she not pay you?
You're right now, money, man. Call up push part today.
But look how long you wedding gone.
Me know because she tell me say in the week here, so she must marry. Call her and find out which part she dey, cause me need my money. Me need my money and me need back my frock. You must feel like me a ramping. Now show your sister and Alia.
I don't know. Here I'm in a business with you are my sister. You are my sister.
Me don't want damage your sister, you know. Call her.
Do what? She too lies to do anything you want.
No make sure you say me away.
I know. Hello. Yeah. Where they? Whatever I don't want. No, may I come over there? May I come over there? Alright. Alright. Yeah, but may I come over there around 4 o'clock? May I take care of us all sitting right now? Alright, later. Alright.
What you say,
Over here.
my yard? Alright. Alright, I'll go over there.
Why, oh boy.
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello. Come.
Hello?
So now we just climb the door open.
What do you mean?
Time push the door.
Hell up on me, you forget you want my money. I'm not interested.
Girl, calm down.
Oh man, I'm telling you, don't play with me now.
Yeah.
Me are the wrong person for play with the spot my dress there.
Why you dressed there?
When my dress, you have my dress in there in a bag. I live in my bed.
Here.
Hello.
Look how long you're married. After your money, call give me.
Girl, I'm one boy.
How are you? Are you she married too?
Oh, married? You're not married?
What do you mean she not married? This lady come.
Girl.
First of all, me and her sister are friends, right?
I'm
sir?
a sister with
Top
this
nice, mama
girl.
child. Top nice.
I'm just a girl.
Me and she are our sister. Our
I'm
friend, right, Alia?
babe.
And she say her sister get married and that she stop it as I'm a choke Kenya.
Girl, you get
So she come now and she say her wedding dress, you want my wedding dress. Some say alright, I rent my wedding dress, you understand me? Some say me I'll give you a hit. But to me and her sister are friend, me say alright. To me know her sister, me I'll give you a hit and when you have the money you come. Give me, you understand me? Me wrong or me right? This girl take me dress, you know, have her wedding with her man. Are you she married to?
Girl,
No.
sister
And don't sister wedding dress was part.
Alright.
This is a wedding dress here, can't fit your sister.
Babe, you know some sister get married, right?
This can't fit.
Get a man.
You can't eat that.
Alright, what about what? Tell me what go on.
Can this fit her sister? Look at her sister, Brad.
Alright.
Huh?
Take up my seat.
Babe, you know
Look for this, sir.
Girl.
Look for it. It's
Babe, you know I can't
$30,000. She will over stick one
When
week.
sister lose weight, you know, catch the pan slim fat.
Look,
Can't
can
tell
this
you.
fit her sister? Her sister is thick. You'll be have our large dress.
You couldn't fit her.
Think this could fit her.
Baby, really believe it, girl.
You understand me?
Baby.
You have me wedding dress here. Right now, people want this wedding dress, you know.
Girl, take your bag.
Alright.
Hey, you come and tell lie and I
Look here.
accuse me. My sister
We
will
go to-
say you get
You
your
don't want to
money.
go to station with this, you know.
Go for the police.
You go for the police.
Go for
You
the
don't get your money, girl.
Go for the
What kind of
police.
police, babe? What you mean by police?
No, because
I
if you
don't want
really do
to
that,
behind pie, you know.
Girl, go on, girl.
Go for the police.
Come here with
Go
the
for the
whole
police.
science.
Go, do you have a right?
Babe, why you
Go
have
for
to
the
go for
police.
police?
They'll go for the police.
Go for the police.
And are you she married too?
No, and she know they.
Babe, but me not married. I'm from married.
Hurry up, because she go pack up and
get
move.
married.
She go pack up and
But
move.
you
Hurry
know,
up.
Girl,
you is a
come on,
Jezebel.
Come on,
You is a
Hurry
Jezebel.
up.
Come on, come
Hurry
on.
up.
It's not about a
Mama,
Jezebel.
Mama, I would advise her to run.
Babe, not babe.
I would advise
Babe,
you. Listen.
babe.
No, listen. Me send somebody for watch you, you know. Me send somebody for watch you.
Oh God, what could have caused this?
The
Babe,
same-
I really believe that the idiot girl ever me?
Me send somebody for watch you. And then get back to me and tell me, say, boy, you did it with a man or one place. And by the time if you hear back from the person again, the person drop out. The phone that give him to watch you with disappear.
Babe, how long may they really believe people?
So when me say no, did you know that you say you're married?
I'm so married, babe. Me not married. Me you married?
I want to tell you something now.
Me
You
married?
never know. Me left a mark in one area. And every time me go into the area get wider.
Which area, babe? Where you talking
The
about?
same area does so it's not the same way it used to be.
What area, babe? The
I'm telling-
bumper?
No,
Bumper
it's,
get
no.
too big?
You see when I die for 2 weeks, it go back normal. But you see when you just come back, every time you go for 2 weeks and you come back, the thing take a time to come back. Me see I be the blue soap, but me know said a somebody tell me what you be. Come here, ask somebody what you be the blue soap. You say something name tighten now. But anyway, if I'm like you, but I advise if I move on, you know.
Baby, you know me love you, right?
What me gonna do? Me gonna cut.
No, babe.
Me a cut.
Babe,
Listen
you know me
now,
love you.
listen now.
Baby, you can't, you all tell people to call police for me
Call-
before you make me sit down and have a conversation.
Me no want no
about this.
conversation, mama.
But wait,
Go on
but-
to your husband.
What, babe, I'm from married and
Listen,
me not married and I got
listen
only man me
listen
have.
me, don't, you can't fool me.
Babe, come here, babe.
Just-
Baby, I can't listen to people, babe.
Sit down, sir. Me contact you, yeah? Listen, contact.
Babe, no, baby,
Listen,
no, me
listen.
love you, babe.
Listen, listen,
Baby,
listen, contact you.
babe,
Contact
no.
you. And everything good. It's like how you give me bun. I want to know say your sister
Babe, come
pregnant.
back. What?
Your sister pregnant for me later.
I must joke you, make. I must want to show you a talk about. Yes.
Officer in here,
Sir,
so.
come over here.
Come, officer, see girl here. See him, the officer. Thief, me want to dress how much days. Me want to dress, you know, because as me I tell you before, me is me sell want to dress. Alright then.
Girl, I'm going to say I get the money,
Get
girl.
money for 60, yeah, I want to dress. Officer, come, me need to go to station with this.
Officer, good afternoon, officer. Me tell her so she'll get time money, officer. She just not too long come here. Me tell her so me
What was the early arrangement, miss?
The arrangement was she would have gotten the money
When?
after, but
After what?
after 3 days.
How many
3
days
days.
has passed now?
6 days past, officer, more than a week. Go ahead.
Girl,
Why you hiding out the lady?
girl.
Why you hiding out the lady?
I'm not hiding her out, but things slow for me, officer. Things slow. Me explain that to her. Make sure she me soon give her money.
Come, bring
She
it
not
up to
gonna
the
go and
station.
stop bring police from the house
Where's the
or
ladies
something.
dress? Where's the ladies
She
dress?
take the dress and
have
gone.
it?
Yes, we don't got a station.
Alright,
Yes, we don't got a
look here,
station.
miss. You have the money now on you?
I don't have it right now. That's what I told her.
I'm very sorry, not Jessica, but
No,
not the
I'm
place
sorry,
like that.
me and
No. You can't do
No.
you can't do business, sir.
Girl, I'm gonna tell you, I get the money,
Come,
girl.
place your hand behind you. You can't do
You can
business,
put
sir.
on Mr. First, please, sir.
No, I can't help you right
You can't
now.
go to the station.
You can't go to the
Yes,
station.
you are right
You
now.
want
Come.
wicked people.
Jessica, move forward.
She lick me, I watch she almost
Go
lick me.
forward, miss. Go forward.
Mommy tell her something again. Me not like her, you know.
Miss Jessica, you have the right.
Give her money, you know, officer. And you see me, I go down and be a me not like them. Stop me, you know.
No, gentlemen.
When you go down by the station, you
Yeah,
get a
yeah,
chance to
money,
think about
idiot,
yourself.
girl.
Think about your actions.
Officer, give me a blind, man. You stop push me, so you can't give me a blind.
Miss, stop resisting.
No, like that. Me not going to same car with her, you know. Me not going to same car with her, officer. No, I don't like
Watch your
this
head.
girl.
Watch your head. Step in, please. Look up pay on the money when time enough to pay on the
Me
money.
not tell her something, me not tell her something.
Hello. And I don't want a noise in there. I think this is joking. Can't play with people money like that.
Oh, it's still there. I'm looking at it. Yeah, I think I'm looking better. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High. You know what I mean? Thanks for watching. You know what I mean? Big up to all of the support of them. You know what I mean? When I say I have a match I come up to, you know what I mean, on TikTok. You see the poster up, you know what I mean? The poster up on it. Yeah, man. So if you're up on TikTok, you can pass through, go and give her a gift. You know what I mean? because you know it's a splash like that. I pints them count, you know what I mean? 29 at this month, you know what I mean? Bag of things go on. No stunt, you know what I mean? We're not capping, we're not japping. We're doing it, you know what I mean? So big up to everybody out there. Just up yourself. One love. We've been fighting the war from that time to this time, you know what I mean? So every avenue where we can capitalize upon to make awareness of us, because we're here now, you know what I mean? We're here to stay. We're building Jamaica one movie at a time. Maybe I'm talking too fast. Slow down the recording, please. Yeah, man. Make a reason. So, we're there from maybe 10 years, but not 10 years on YouTube, maybe 3 years, you know what I mean? We are kick it, you know what I mean? So, we give thanks to the support for day one people, them and the new one, them will just come. Give thanks, all I want to make it possible, you know what I mean? So continue sharing and telling people about it, you know what I mean? And Scaramanga, big up yourself, you know what I mean? You know it go. Yeah, man. Run it down to the ground. You know what I mean? What a name I have to call her now? The long list from Jews from back in the days, the foundation, original Empress G, you know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. Big up to my special friends, them differently. But don't want any name called. Big up on yourself and don't know yourself. Yeah, I want the Christmas cake. You know yourself. Yeah, man. I look forward to it. Yeah, man. Burn it down to the ground. Yeah, man. I want love all the time, man. I want to make the thing work. I want to call me. I want to motivate me. You know what I mean? Big up to new supporter them too. You know what I mean? They call me and give me encouragement in the rough time. Because I do get tough sometimes. Do get rough sometimes. You know what I mean? Give thanks to the sunshine. So not that way. See it? Yeah, I don't want to feel no way about it, you know, man. Because you're there phone, you know. You can't fly down anytime, you know what I mean? You know, somebody cold, but keep warm, keep safe, you know what I mean? Put it down to the ground, man. If you celebrate the holiday, bless yourself, Merry Christmas. If you're not, big up yourself the same way, you know what I mean? Let's go.